BCG Company, a fast-growing Turkish manufacturer of chemical cleaning products, has completed the digitalization and automation of key business operations using 1C ERP World Edition solutions. As a result of the project, the processes of purchasing, warehousing, sales, and management accounting were automated. Our international company BCG, Big Chemistry Guys, started the Turkey project in 2023. We generally produce household chemicals, auto shampoo, auto cosmetics, and professional cleaning products in our factory in Turkey. Our company is located in the European Free Zone, and we sell most of the products we produce in this factory abroad to European countries, Asian countries, and African countries. We set very ambitious goals for ourselves when we started the project. We turned an empty area from scratch into a factory capable of high volume and fast production. The rapid development and growth of our company in a short time has made the structure system a necessity in managing the company and establishing communication between units. In our system research, we focused on 1C system. We believe that 1C will meet all our current needs and will grow and develop with us in the future.
A future ERP system needed to accommodate multiple naming conventions for products, equipment, and documents, covering 3 languages: English, Turkish, and Russian. This dynamic environment requires an agile approach to system implementation. We opted for private cloud setup of 1C ERP World Edition to cater to BCG evolving needs. In terms of implementation, we initially set an ambitious timeline, planning to complete the first phase within 2 months. This phase included critical elements such as master data migration, ERP setup, integration with 2 Turkish banks, and user trainings. Thanks to remarkable support of 1C company and our support team in Turkey, we swiftly resolved all system-related issues and migrated to the local service in Turkey. This stage will focus on implementing of Turkish interface, enhancing delivery management process for export operations, including vehicles planning and dispatching. Most importantly, improving communication between production, purchase, and sales departments regarding customer order statuses management and orders fulfillment.
In our BCG company, we're using ERP system to automatize processes, and it's very convenient. I'm responsible for making clients' orders and organize shipments to different countries. So firstly, it's very convenient that I can create a customer's card in a system, and after that I can issue a contract for working with a client. Secondly, I can put an order in a system and print out pro forma invoice for sending to the clients for confirmation and for making payment. Finally, it's also very useful for warehouse. They can check the quantities, the items, what they need to assemble, and to which date. So I can say that ERP system is very helpful for us. We can make more complicated things easier than it was.
This is how our company grows. Internal company processes will also make internal company communication difficult. We are aware of this. This is exactly why we believe that an ERP system will respond to our new demands and requests in a timely and rapid manner as the company grows.